Hey guys, it's review time. Remember that test that I mentioned over chapters 3 and 4? That's the end of this week. Well, we better review a little for it. So get your books out and turn to page 52. And we are going to talk about a couple things that you need to make sure that you know. This is over your changing body, growth and fitness, and also exercising and aerobics and all of that. So I'm going to tell you a couple things that you need to make sure you are studying. I am not going to give you every answer. You do need to study bold terms, just like always, and your chapter review, just like we do in class. So that has not changed. But I will go ahead and review with you the best I can. From being long distance, it's sad because we could have played a game. But I will try to figure out a game for us to play maybe next time. So there's a couple of things you need to know about the body, okay, as the baby is growing. What or where did the baby start to grow in the mom? What is the name of the place that held the baby inside the mom? So please make sure you study that. And then you had something that went from you while you were a baby inside of your mom to your mom that actually helped to feed you and to make sure that you had oxygen. What was the name of that specific part of you at that point? And true or false, at 4 weeks, you had no bones. Is that true? It actually is true. When you were 4 weeks old, you still had no bones. You were still forming in your mom's womb. You still did not have all the parts needed in order for your bones to be hardened at that point. So you were still growing. Okay, and we can continue to turn in your book if you want to follow along. I'm looking on page 54 and 55. And at what month were you actually born from the mom's womb? What month is that? Now, different people are born at different times. Some babies come earlier, just like we've talked about in class, and some come a little later. But what is the average time that most babies spend in the mom's womb and is then born? How long is that? Just make sure you know that, okay? All right. And true or false, there is lots of people just like you. They look like you, they talk like you, they act like you. You are not an individual that is unique. True or false? That is false. You are very unique individual. You have lots of things about you that nobody else has. Your fingerprints, the hairs on your head then are numbered differently. The thoughts in your brain are different than everybody else's. God made you very, very unique and very, very special.